Here's our tools. Our tools, like we've talked about, we're using a soft roller, and we will be using Sue Hitzman's melt ball. I'll try to do another video in case you don't have a melt ball, but you can go to meltmethod.com and you can buy one, or I would suggest maybe make one, and I'll try to do a video on that. But it's the best ball I have found for this type of treatment, for finding our direction and giving the body direction for our feet. So I will leave 6 balls. I will leave the rollers, 6 rollers. Studio Verbundet has purchased the mats. Thank you, Ollie. But there's a little technique to cleaning this one. It is not with alcohol. It is with soap and water. Tvål och vatten. Soap and water. Soap and water. Because this breaks down the fabric eventually, and we get this, and that's not what we want. So no, 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 no. After we get done, soap, tvål och vatten. Yay! Dry it off. Done. Use these tools for lots of individuals, and I need to keep them. So be kind, take care of the equipment, but more importantly, take care of you. You only have one of you, and there's so much we can do when what we feel can influence how we feel. And when we feel upside down, let's give some direction to the body. One coordinate, and then we see how we feel.